Hello darling, welcome back to my channel. So today I made Achu for my first time. Let's watch the video and let me know in the comment section my errors. Thanks. So for those who don't know, Achu is yellow soup. For francophones, they call it taro et la sauce jaune. For anglophones, they call it Achu. So that is it. I'm a francophone, but this is not a food from my region, so I tried it for my first time. Watch the video and don't forget to subscribe and like the video, okay? Also share the video. You can see the steps in my video. I had a problem while doing the Achu is that I didn't know if I had to do it with hot water or with cold water. That's why you will see in the video I was a little bit confused. So I did it with warm when the water of the meat was already warm. Okay. Also, I feel like my Achu, the taro I'll be doing, is too liquid. So I don't know if I boiled it the wrong way. I don't really know, or it's the Achu of the Chinese, so I don't really know. But it was too liquid and I didn't add water. I didn't add any water. You can see in the video. That's it. Let's watch the video and let me know if I did something wrong. You will see at a certain point where I was confused. I didn't know for the water. I didn't know and something. I was just confused and it was just funny. You can see at this point the Achu was a little bit hard, so I had to pound it like that, as you're seeing, with my hands. Then after pounding it, as you're seeing, I put it back on the blender. I still blended it. As you're seeing, I blended like that, and then it became liquid. Also, I didn't put the taro all together at once. I put the taro gradually, as you're seeing in the video, and I was doing it when the taro was still hot, very very hot, because when I watched other videos, they said it has to be hot. I also think it should be hot so that it will still be soft, as you can see. Yeah, I tried my best. This was a real struggle. I was just pounding it. I was really confused. It was just funny. So I pounded it, as you are seeing, like that, until it became soft. I don't know if I over pounded it, if I over blended it or not, but I think it was too soft. It was a little bit too soft. I don't know where I made an error. I don't really know. If somebody knows, the person can let me know in the comment section. As for the soup, I told you that I didn't know if I was supposed to use the meat water warm or hot. So I just used it warm. Neither hot nor cold. It was warm. Then I put bicarbonate, and then I started blending with the Achu soup, with the oil. That was a good job. I think I made a good job. I think I did a good job because my Achu soup was having a good taste, although my taro was too liquid. So after watching this video, just let me know if you know how to cook it very well. Just let me know where I made a mistake, because the way I was confused in cooking this thing, but it was having a good taste. but I was too confused and I feel like I made some mistakes somewhere. So the person that knows can let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching to the end, and thanks for subscribing my channel. I just post anything. Goodbye.